Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we are going to be making a battered rockfish slider with a cilantro, jalapeno, aioli, and we're going to finish it off with a mango coleslaw. Star of this month's show is item number 11162, which is a Trident battered rockfish portion. It's a 1 to 2 ounce portion. It's a great product. You can do a whole bunch of things with this. You could deep fry it and put it in a basket of fries and do a fish and chips. But today we're going to make sliders with it. Let's get started. All right, so we'll start by making the mango coleslaw. Going to take 3 tablespoons of lime juice, a teaspoon of granulated sugar, and I'm just going to whisk this up until the sugar's dissolved. I add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, 1 cup of an IQF mango chunk that I've just slacked out. That'll add a little more sweetness to it. And 1/4 cup of thinly sliced red onion. Give it a little bit of color. And a pound of fresh coleslaw mix. This should be made ahead so it has time to marinate. It's all dressed up. We'll put that in the refrigerator to marinate for a while. Alright, so now we'll make our jalapeno cilantro aioli. This one I'm going to put a tablespoon of fresh lime juice in, a couple of chopped garlic cloves. You can just do a rough chop on these because the food processor is going to do most of the work for us. 4 jalapenos I've seeded and rough chopped. 1 bunch of cilantro, rough chop. Got 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then we're just going to blend this up. That'll be our aioli. Alright, so we'll go ahead and fry these up. These are a 1 to 2 ounce portion. It's nice. Already pre-battered. Just heat it up and crisp it up. Nice and golden brown and crispy. Alright, to plate these things, we're going to use a brioche slider roll that I've toasted. Hit it with a little bit of that jalapeno cilantro aioli. Top it off with a piece of our rockfish. Mango coleslaw. And there you have it, folks. Rockfish sliders, jalapeno cilantro aioli, and mango coleslaw. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.